Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome all of you in the class. Today we'll turn to our next tense, which is past perfect continuous. This tense is actually just like the past perfect, except that the first past action is continuous. Now, for example, I felt really tired because I had been driving all day. So, you know that I have felt tired at some point in the past, and that was because before that I had been driving that entire day. So the earlier past action was a continuous one. Remember that. And we make this tense with a subject plus had been plus a verb in the continuous form. That is an ing form. So here is another sentence. She had been waiting for 2 hours when the doctor finally arrived. Remember that lady who was waiting for the doctor, and the doctor came, so her wait ended. But before that point, she had been waiting for 2 hours. Here, the past perfect continuous form comes first in the sentence, but that's okay. Now, some more examples. The ground was wet because it had been raining. It had been raining first, and so the ground was wet. Now, when he quit his job at the factory, he had been working there for 12 years. So remember that the past perfect continuous tense is used to talk about a continuous action that has been done in the past, but before another finished action. Remember that. All right, it's time now for another review, and we are going to do a quick comparison of the four perfect tenses we have looked at so far in our previous classes and this class as well. So I have washed the dishes is in the present perfect tense. Okay. And it focuses on the completion of the action and doesn't mention the exact time actually. But you understand that I finished washing the dishes maybe just a few minutes ago. Number two, I have been washing the dishes for half an hour is in the present perfect continuous tense. And it means that I have not finished washing them yet. But I started half an hour ago and I'm still doing it. That means the work is in continuous form. Number three, when I left for work, I had washed the dishes. Okay, here I had washed the dishes is in the past perfect tense. It means that first I finished washing them and after that I left for work. Okay, now number four, when the phone rang, I had been washing the dishes for half an hour. So the phone rang at some point in the past. Half an hour before that, I started washing the dishes, and I was still doing that when the phone rang. So I stopped, wiped my hands dry, and I went to answer the phone. So with this, we are done with present and past tense and its form. Hope it's all clear to you. Now, in our next class, we'll move to the next set of future tense, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.